Kamusta po yung experience niyo sa Sick Helper?
Very nice, very good. And I'm so lucky that I'm in Sick Helper agency because for you know, the Sick Helper is very fast in processing the papers and the owner is very caring for his employee and also the staff is very friendly and very patient.
First time niyo po sa Hong Kong. Ano po yung pakiramdam niyo? Makakapunta po kayo ng Hong Kong.
50-50.
Why, ma'am?
New challenge, new journey.
Saya po naman ang cost. Kasi magkakaroon ng dollar. Tapos maiiwan ulit yung anak. Mabigat sa loob, pero kailangan lumapad. Very subject.
Ano po yung mapapayo niyo para sa mga gusto po mag-abroad?
It's easy lang. Kung gusto nilang mag-Hong Kong or look for the agency na mas maganda, hindi mahirap ang proseso, Sick Helpers. I recommend na sa FB, you can download Sick Helper.
May papayo ko lang kung talagang gusto nyo mag-abroad, dapat lakas ng loob at pagpipace.
Kung nag-abroad sila, kaya buot na lang.